Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to LENOVO Tab M9. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by clicking on I agree. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Following that, select Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Then go back to Motorola device and use all of those categories at the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with those two pictures. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Lenovo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Lenovo's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. So when I do that, I need to select one of those options in Personalize Your Ad Experience pop-up. Just tap on Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Select Close this window. And as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!